We know we're all excited for CD Projekt Red's Cyberpunk 2077. It's gonna be huge, and I think when Keanu Reeves stepped out on that stage, everybody just knew. We all just knew that we were probably gonna be buying this game. Is going to deal with the pre-order bonuses and the collector's edition that they announced. It looks incredible. They've packed every tier of this product with so many. I'm shocked that this game has got so much stuff in it other than just the game. So let's get into it. Before we get into that huge collector's edition, it is mind-blowing. Let's check out what you can get with the standard edition. They've thrown in a bunch of physical items with the game, including the case with game discs, a world compendium detailing the game's setting and lore. This is something that I wish a lot of games would do, like more often. Just having a book that allows you to get more into the universe, because often you're playing a game and you're not quite sure where certain characters fit in or why certain things are the way they are, especially in science fiction or fantasy. So this is really cool. Even if it's a PDF, just give it to us. It's great that it's a book because you can have it open next to you. Postcards from Night City, a map of Night City, and of course, a whole bunch of stickers for your skateboard or your notebook. I use stickers all the time. A bunch of digital stuff included is the soundtrack of the game, an art booklet featuring a selection of art from the game, Cyberpunk 2020 source book, and wallpapers for your desktop and your mobile. I really like that they're doing this with the standard edition. It really makes the physical copy of the game more appealing. I know a lot of people that just buy digital copies of the game, but you miss out on so much if they just bundle the physical copy with all this rad stuff like the lore book, which I think is amazing. That's available for the standard edition on both Xbox One, PS4, and PC. Now, let's get into the collector's edition. So this collector's edition, let's talk about this. This is probably one of the greatest collector's editions that I've ever seen. In fact, I've been told that the stocks in South Africa are very limited and they're selling out extraordinarily quickly. Like, you misunderstand. I don't think people expect collector's editions to sell very well because they're very high priced. I mean, its recommended retail price is 4,599 Rand. That's a lot of money for a game. But like what you get in it is just bonkers. You don't get Keanu Reeves. That would be nice. That would be nice. It's like a mail order bride, but it was Keanu Reeves. Would be nice. So for those of you who have pre-ordered the collector's edition, I envy you a lot. And this is what you get inside. You get the collector's edition box. You get a case with the game code inside it, so you still need to download it. But instead of the game disc, you get like the whole soundtrack on disc, which is pretty cool. You get that collectible steel book, a 25cm statue of V. He's like the game's protagonist, and he's ramming his bike in the statue in full motion into somebody in the curb and jumping out of it at the same time. I don't know about figurines like that much, but how do you get so much motion into one static statue? Let's get rid of all the road statues in Cape Town and just put the statue of V there instead. No one's gonna complain. A hardcover art book, metal pin set, a Quadra VTech metal keychain, an annotated copy of a visitor's guide to a Night City, sealed in an NCPD evidence bag, embroidered patches. Those are real fun. Elias likes putting those on jeans, but you might want to put them on a jacket, which is pretty cool. World compendium detailing the game's setting and lore. Yes, you get that world compendium that goes through the whole lore of the world. Thank you. Postcards from Night City, map of Night City, and you get those stickers. Those are just the physical items. You also get a couple of digital stuff. You get access to the game soundtrack digitally, even though you've got a physical version. An art booklet featuring a set of art from the game. The art booklet as well from the standard edition. Those wallpapers for your phone or your desktop. And that Cyberpunk 2020 source book. If you're in South Africa, as far as prices are concerned, again, the collector's edition on every platform is 4,599 Rand. They are limited stock, so not many people are gonna be able to pick one up, but that's cool. For those of you who do, please send me pictures. The price difference in the standard edition on consoles versus PC is on console, on Xbox One, or on PlayStation 4 is going to be 1,099 Rand, and on PC is going to be 799 Rand, which is really nice. That's cool. You get a lot of stuff for the price of a normal game, and those are the recommended retail prices. Make sure that you do your shopping around. See BT Games, Take a Lot, and Loot have some really good specials. I'm not sponsored by any of them. I just had a look. Their prices are differentiating, so make sure you find the right price for you. Okay, so I'm going to be covering a bit of Cyberpunk content. I think I'm really want to play it on my live stream, so if you guys are keen on that, let me know in the comments below if you want more Cyberpunk stuff. Make sure that you hit the like button, above the description. I'm gonna include a couple of pre-order links in the description for you guys, and I'll see you guys in another video. Just let me know what you think of Cyberpunk 2077. What do you think of the showcase? And what did you think of Keanu Reeves? That was amazing. Keanu is amazing. Damn it. Wish I was at E3. Anyway, cheers.